Welcome to the Hugo Build Time News, all the news that fits into a Hugo build, brought to you by CloudCannon. And now, at human speed. It's a great time to be using anything other than WordPress and its hijacked plugins, and a good time to share strategies and tutorials to migrate from WordPress. I have a few today, but please share more if you have them. Since my last video, we've reached version 0.136.5 of Hugo. This version brings a greatly improved Docker file and image with improved documentation on its way. Now, the days might be numbered for .io domains, depending on how the IANA interprets its own rules. The backstory here, though, makes for some fascinating reading. A couple of weeks ago, we launched a new headless mode at CloudCannon with better default config options and live data and config editing. I am biased, of course, but working on Hugo sites in CloudCannon now feels better than ever. Guy Evans shared his publishing workflow with Hugo, Caddy, and GitHub Actions. These let him concentrate on writing without worrying about endless updates. Thierry Gaudier started moving away from WordPress early last year. Great timing. This is a great article to share with anyone feeling stuck on WordPress. On that note, Will Boyd has a handy conversion tool for converting a WordPress export file into markdown files with front matter, and images are also downloaded and saved. Thanks, Will. This one might be a little niche, but if you'd like to experiment with Go components that render to HTML5, check out Components from Marcus Lustenberg. And finally, I wasn't going to write about the WordPress drama, and then it got weirder, and then it got worse, but I was too fascinated by version control of all things being the apparent tipping point. So here's my take. If revision history is important, why not use Git for your content as well as your code? Showcase time, and it's amazing to see gitscm.com shift over to Hugo and GitHub pages, along with PageFind for completely static site search, and possibly built for a different audience, but also using Hugo and PageFind is Cheesypedia, an online wiki for all things animatronics. If you're looking for a Hugo CMS, check out CloudCannon. With a new headless mode, full version control via Git, and support for Hugo shortcodes, teams can build new pages and edit them visually with live preview URLs. That's all for today. Please get in touch if you've got a Hugo tutorial, tip, or a new site to show off. Thanks.